Hey everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day today. We are going to be making these super cute neutral colored polymer clay earrings using an imprint mat to create a design, also using rose gold glitter clay. How cute is that? Adds a little bit of pop to something that is neutral. It's an essential earring to have in your collection. And if you haven't watched it yet, you will learn how to make this color, which I call sweet cream cold brew because it looks like my coffee from Starbucks, in one of my previous tutorial videos. So to obtain this color, go back and watch that video. Grab your clay and let's get to making.
Hi, I am Sue Ann, Jesus enthusiast, wife, mother, and maker of things. Follow along with me in making crafts, apparel, jewelry, and so much more, all while sharing daily life experiences. And being a mother of 5, I promise I have plenty of those. So put on your confidence cap and let's get to making.
Materials we're using today will be polymer clay in the sweet cream cold brew, which I have linked the video below, Sculpey souffle color rose gold, a craft knife, a 1.5-inch elongated half oval cutter, a small oblong cutter, an imprint mat, acrylic roller, earring hooks, jump rings, jewelry tools, cornstarch, a piece of tile with a piece of copy paper, and a surface to work on like marble slab or a piece of glass. So I've already conditioned my clay and I ran it through my machine, and it turns out to be about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now we want to make sure that we are using smooth and even clay and that there aren't any bubbles. Starting with a really good surface is very, very important. So now we're going to add texture to the clay using an imprint sheet. We press it into the clay and then I'm going to go over it with an acrylic rolling pin. Now for the life of me, I tried so hard to find where I purchased this from and I haven't yet. So in the description, I did link some that I think would be really, really cute with this design. And when I find where I purchased this from, I promise I will update it for you. Now I'm dipping my clay cutters in a little bit of cornstarch, and this is just going to help the clay from sticking to the cutter itself. You don't have to use the exact shapes that I have. Play around with sizes and designs just to add some variety to your collection. Okay, let's incorporate the rose gold glitter. This stuff is so cute, and I love that it is the Souffle by Sculpey. Souffle is one of the softest and easiest clays to work with. It's absolutely by far my favorite. So again, I'm gonna roll it out to 1/8 of an inch thick, dip my cutter into the cornstarch and then into the clay itself. I'm gonna scoop these babies up with my knife and put them on my tile that has a piece of paper laid on top. This is gonna help it from being really shiny on the backside of your clay when it's baking. Now it's time to get your designs in the oven. Be sure to follow the instructions on your polymer clay package for baking, just in case you are using a different kind of clay. There's different temperatures and lengths of time that you'll need to bake these for. I baked mine at 275 degrees for 45 minutes. Once your designs have finished baking and cooled, go ahead and drill your holes and attach your hooks and your jump rings. And there you have it. You have created some stunning polymer clay earrings to add to your collection, which I'm sure people will be commenting on and asking where you bought them from. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, send this video to people that you think may like it, get notified because I'm always uploading new content. Until next time, be confident in who you are and all that you do. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.